Hello everyone, this is Arshmeet Kaur, student of BCom first year from Guru Gobind Singh College for Women, Sector 26, Chandigarh. Today I am going to give a presentation on my startup plan. So let's start the presentation. The plan which I have selected is logistics. Logistics is a business of transporting, supplying and delivering goods from one place to the other. Now, a question will definitely arise in your minds why I have selected this venture. So, answer to this question is that this is a very growing business and after COVID-19 there will be a great scope for this business in India because people are switching to the online platforms and demand everything at their doorsteps. Okay, so let's discuss the plan. So you can see there is the logo and the tagline of our new venture. The name of our venture is Cushion Logistics and the tagline is Feel the Comfort. We will provide full comfort to our clients by providing them best service. So this is going to be the logo and the tagline for our new startup. Next is these are the services which we are going to provide to our customers. First is warehousing service where the storage facility will be provided to the customers and the safety of their goods is maintained. Next is pickup and delivery, in which according to the order, our workforce will pick up the goods from one destination and deliver it to the other one. Other is retail sales and distribution, where the commodities of retailers will be distributed to the customers. And next is we will also provide customer care services to get a good feedback from the customers. This is going to be the process, or we can say the supply chain of our business. In this, goods are supplied to the required destination, such as raw material to the suppliers, processed raw material from the suppliers to the factory, finished goods from the factory distributed to the retailers, and from the retailers to the customers. So this would going to be our supply chain. So as we all know that for the entry in any of the ventures, legal requirements need to be fulfilled properly. So in this venture there are also the required legal procedure which should be followed, such as registration in the government departments and IT department, the process of registration of the company, and safeguarding our name and logo through trademark. So these are going to be fulfilled. Next important thing is investment. For this venture we require up to rupees 30 lakhs, and I would like to get this fund from Bajaj Finserves because they provide fund without any pledge of security and speedy loan approval, and repayment of loan is also very flexible. Our business will be on road in no time. Then next is we also need assets and softwares to get our business in the game. So the required assets, as we are going to step in the 3PL league, we need to hire the premises and investing in equipments like trucks, vans, tempos, etc., and some other assets which are important for this business, and we are going to purchase them. Next is the clients we will serve. These are the clients whom we are going to serve: merchant and warehouse operators, retailers, corporate organizations, manufacturers. Okay, then next is the mission of our business is going to be a leading provider of transportation, warehousing, and supply services, and also to make consumer supply chain more efficient by providing them best service. So this is our mission. And our vision is to provide our customers the maximum satisfaction and getting their feedback and make improvements accordingly. As we all know that consumer satisfaction in today's modern world is the key for a successful business. If your customers are satisfied, then you will get higher profits, more goodwill in the market, and strength to compete with the competitors. Last but not the least, if this business is managed properly, then it would definitely strengthen our country's infrastructure, leads to the development of our country and service sector, and increases the employment level in our economy. So this was my startup plan. I hope you all liked it. Thank you very much.